Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Hope you're having a lovely summer holiday. Today I'm talking about something that I found yesterday at a council office. This is a brochure funding for local arts, and then I noticed happily that the Māori translation was on the back. So the first half is in English and the upside down half is in Te Reo. So that was really good. I thought, oh, that's such good practice for me, because I really like finding things that I can look at with the English and the Māori, so I can practice my pronunciation and learn more about what various words and phrases and sentences mean. So I thought you might like to do that as well. This one's called in English, Funding for Local Arts, and the translation for that is ngā pūtea mō ngā toi o te haukainga. Ngā pūtea mō ngā toi o te haukainga. Ngā pūtea is to do with money. Mō ngā, for the, toi is to do with arts, or te haukainga. So that's the way to talk about local arts, obviously. Funding for local arts. The other one here is get involved, which is me whakauru atu, one of the ways of translating that. And then inside, we won't look at it all, but we'll just look at one example that I found that was quite handy. So I saw this translation here. So it's the first item under this purple heading, and it says ngā mahi kohi kohi moni. Ngā mahi kohi kohi moni. So I thought, oh, there we go. It means fundraising activities. So if I ever want to know what fundraising activities translates to in Te Reo, I can try this. Ngā mahi, which is work. Kohi kohi, collecting. Moni, which is a transliteration for the word money. So there we go. That's a really useful idea, I think, and a way that we can practice our reo in lots of different situations. I'm always happy to see things like that. Another example is this one called Kia kaha te reo taiao, which is te reo taiao is the language of the natural world. And one of the pages in here says why the marine environment is important. So that's that heading there. And it says te take. So te take is the reason. Te take I me nui ai te ao o tangaroa. So te take, the reason, and then it's I me nui ai is to do with important, and then te ao, the world of, te ao o tangaroa, the world of the sea, the marine environment. Lots and lots of good stuff in there. So you may not find these exact brochures. If you do, great, but you can find these kinds of things which are produced by various government departments all over the place, and I really suggest make the most of them, because they're using translators who are really good, and we can learn so much. I love those because they help me with modern day translations of words that might not be in dictionaries. I practice my pronunciation and learn new sentence structures. The last one I wanted to suggest to you was you'll see children's picture books in the libraries and in bookshops, which often have the English and the Māori version. So this is Wooden Arms, translated to Popo Tauafi. Great way of practicing your pronunciation, just using the ways that we've talked about by pronouncing the vowels correctly, putting a break after each vowel, po, tau, fi, and if there's any macrons, putting the emphasis on the macron, as we saw with pūtea. So look around, find those pamphlets, make use of them. We're using our ratepayers and government money that we're putting in there from our taxes, so we might as well make use of these items, and they're being made for us, and I think that we could really use them as a great resource. So I encourage you to do that. For more videos about Te Reo Māori I encourage you to go to patreon.com/Sharon Holt. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much.